Testing. Look, I buy this online, you know. This one is an air purifier for the house. This one is a low power. Maybe need for use in only room, small room, not big room. Big room, bigger. You have to buy bigger. This is smaller. So, smaller room. See, you can see all here. You can get this information online. Right now, I'm going to do the unboxing. This video is not sponsored. It's just for my personal record, so that I can see what I've bought in the past when I go in the future. Okay, understand? Very good. Wait, I go and bring my cutter. Now I got my cutter. I will cut. I think cut here. Inside we have the instruction book. Very thick instruction book. Wow. Okay, I got this one up already. Hook one second. Okay. Nothing else inside. Okay. Now, pull this one out. Okay. Okay. Like so. So, take off the top part and you can see the filter inside. Filter, huh? we have another look. Huh? It's big, huh? Let's everything look in order. Now I try plugging in and let you all see. I also want to see. I also want to see whether it's working. Oh, I need adapter. It's holding on. This comes with a 2-pin power adapter. Now I plug in like that. Huh? Alright. Maybe I should read what it says before I start it up. Blah blah blah. Power mode button on top. How to use. Blah blah blah. Blah blah blah. Okay, I think I just switch it on. I will on now. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and ring the bell. Thank you.